we are going to go paint my uncle's grave. Today we're gonna meet up, not with everyone because Leisha had to work, so she's at work. But everyone, good morning. But everyone else pretty much, not everyone else, but you know, the immediate will be there. So yeah, we're all supposed to meet up at 9, but everybody's extra early. I'm like the only one that was heading for 9 o'clock. Say good morning to the people.
I went 10 o'clock, you still not ready.
Guys, what time is it? It's 8:52 and I'm ready. And I was ready before then. Everyone said we're meeting up at 9. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna go paint the grave, and that's about it. It's very windy this morning, guys. Good morning, 5 foot. I get a dragon. Guys, so we are getting liquor. Just a little bit of liquor. So I'm with my cousin, my uncle, my mom, my grandma's. Is grandma here? Oh. My grandma's coming. We're just gonna paint the grave. Right there. Yeah, that's perfect, right next to you. Oh, you paint inside of it?
Yeah.
Isn't it a small world, Mom? How the taxi knew Derville? That's crazy.
Everybody know him.
Yo, he was a good guy. We're gonna paint it.
You want some flowers around.
Oh, like plant? Mm-hmm. Is that grandma?
Oh yeah.
Right. Your mother. We can plan it, maybe. Hi, good morning. Good morning, John. Look at your mom in turban, Mommy. It's mother, good morning. You're in a turban.
Not turban.
Yeah.
Damn. Tell me share quarrel for me not tell him. Me tell you yesterday you tell me say.
Yeah, it was yesterday. Mm-hmm.
A beer?
Yeah, pour out some. Wow.
Anything wrong mean I drink?
No, he drinks dragon.
Beer. Drink rum, man. I like rum.
Mm-hmm.
Beer.
Yes, dragon.
Beer. Red Stripe beer.
No, he always drank dragon with me.
A breeze. Yeah, Lucy?
Wow. I just looked and I was like, wow.
Wrong man.
He trace me.
Where is
Trace
she?
me and he tell him say me trace him. He say if I no mouth him out.
Where is she?
My feelings.
We
You can buy out the money in a cigarette.
we
So I buy out the money in a cigarette.
Where is she?
you out there.
So why didn't she come?
And say me not tell him.
And I yesterday we saw we are paying.
That's why she's not coming?
Me not tell him.
Boy.
You should come around to them, man. You feel like when that tough turkey for Christmas and you know, Thanksgiving and you know tough food. Me might not say me bad, me know say me bad.
Alright now what food?
I fight a come fight with my shit. Eh? Oh,
Why somebody they set him up?
Yes. Mom, we're keeping the horse?
Make the ears. No paint the ears.
Don't paint it?
No paint him out. But one to the right. Guy tourist there.
you want to ride go for Choco?
Tile the man great for tile no paint.
So who making a tile like they come down for you? Sit down.
Cause him out a while ago.
I speak time we come for tile.
I'm so
Alright.
Hi, Ken. How are you?
I'm okay.
Talk to
Done
mama
with
about
they
it.
set me up.
Are you making a tile okay, me?
Come over here, set your bridge.
So you know tell me about say if it tile somebody else in my family loaded. No go so.
You go so. You go so.
So you know see who for them tile and them. Isle of them. Tile the whole of them tile.
A pink tile? And a tile that.
A tile?
Tile me say.
How far the other one side I?
Me no know.
One tile. So what make the name do the other one too?
Maybe I'm not their family.
Anyway, anybody go me into the and
Oh,
camp. Then
see what we cook there.
Oh. Love
See
them
what we
bad.
cook there. Ask him.
Lovell can cook
Love
too.
them mix up small
Wow,
sitting
yeah.
gear.
The boss say he can't cook, but that's hot.
Cool.
Everybody fast food. Rum man.
You chat him now. I hear.
So me no want to hear me. A lot of number me want.
Speak, no, he drop it dead.
Come give me the lot of number. Me la want sachets. Sachets and chew juice and Lays.
These are good.
Here me think me to buy no chips for me la. And don't give mother none because I like him.
And the when in the help up the woman, when in the eat, help the woman to go up on the ass. He said the woman now batty rider. He said, Mama, when I look, I see a piece of pumpkin drop on the ass. See how the weave on me so. I say, well, laugh, he said,
I remember talking.
Can't laugh.
I love you. Yo, me love you when they go and look at their phone. I love when they go over my ass, man.
Everyone say, in can't laugh
Can't laugh and work.
and work. You say you have to wheel ways. So, he settle down.
Everybody different. Everybody me the laugh out.
After the week, no feel laugh and so close. See what that?
Mom, one's calling you.
Over them level. DT. Alright.
Sister Selby. What? Not bad at all, my dear. Yes, girl. Rest yourself.
DT.
What bag you want, so? 3? 3 bag game, but cut off your bum then. Go carry on. Alright, we soon
We'll
come.
be back. Thank you. We sure got. No, we'll get 3 and then I might want to. Right.
Watch me.
This lady
Watch your carry on.
pushed out my cocoa bread. Guys, my grandma is leaving. She's crying. If I cry, oh my gosh, we'd be here all day. Bye, love you. So maybe he comes early. So guys, let me tell you what happened today. So today, okay, my SIM card stopped working, so I'm vlogging on my phone. What else happened? Okay, so this morning we went to country to go paint my uncle's grave. It's been a year since he's been gone, and it's crazy because a year, it's just nuts. I felt like it was just yesterday that everything happened. And then we went to Lucy town to like pick up like food. Mom, no, son, it's like they came back with their posse. So then we came to Lucy town. We did shopping. We got a whole bunch of stuff, huh? Yeah, he wanted the coconut water. So then you see what's going on in life. So we went to Lucy to do like shopping and stuff and pick up a few things. Then we came home. Then I was with my great grandma and I walked her like you guys saw. And basically she was crying and she asked me for my shirt, so I gave her my shirt. My mom said did you get them? She said that my mom said she like wanted comfort, so that's why she wanted my shirt. So I gave it to her. And then she just left. And then what else? That's it. And then everybody you saw at the cemetery painting was my uncle was in the hat, my little cousin with the fro, my grandma in the turban, my mom. You guys know my mom. The one with the one, what was he wearing?
White Marina.
His white merino with his hair braided is my cousin. My other uncle was Ginger in a hat too. Okay, my other uncle was in a hat, and then everybody else was who? The girl in the red pants, that was my cousin. Kamisha. Kamisha, are you watching? Hey girl. Who else was there? It was, and then what is it? Bink and Exel, which are family friends. Iana's cousin. What about the one that was painting like the longest? Feta was cousin too, and he was painting for a while. And yeah, Leisha couldn't make it because Leisha is at work, but she is coming home tonight. And then tomorrow is take off day. I have to go back to school. It was really it was a good trip. Like, I felt like last trip was so, like, I wanted to leave after everything, and I wish I had stayed. But now I feel like, all right, I know what I'm working for. I know what I'm working towards and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog so far. Definitely like, definitely share, definitely subscribe. And now we're just chilling out. Hopefully the ice cream man comes by so mom can buy me some ice cream. Yo, money down here isn't anything. Yo, guys, next time I come to Jamaica, I'm driving. Okay? Okay? Mark my words. I like to hustle and move by myself. Not by... Alright, bye, guys.